Welcome back to Vlogs with Chrissy. It's Chrissy here, and today I'll be teaching y'all how to make slime. This is not the slime, this is just, okay, let me stop myself there. All you will need is body wash and salt. So right here, I already have the body wash inside the plate, just mixing it. So, I'm using Allspice body wash, so this is what's about it. It's not sticky, it's almost like slime. So, yeah. It's a deep clean one, so make sure you get deep clean. Yeah. You can use any other body wash that's like this. Like kind of jello. Not jelly, but like sticks like slime. Let me mix it all up. We're getting it all together. It should be looking like that. And you need to get the salt. So right now I'm about to go get the salt, so I'll finish when I get it. So now I have the salt. I'm just gonna add a little bit. And then start mixing. Should all be coming together. And then add it again. Then you mix it. You only need like a little. If you add too much salt, it will turn watery. So yeah. Right now, this is how it is. It should be like that. That's sticky. This is another way you can make slime. In another video, I'll show you how to make the slime. Please like and subscribe to get a shout out. And thank you. Please follow me on my musiccally. It's called Queen Who's Not There. So please go follow that. I'll be posting these videos on my slime too. So, and I'll be telling you all when I need again. Some people don't like when I need them. So this is how it's like. It's not slime, but it's glue. See? And it don't stick. Because right now, you can do any body wash. It won't stick. So when you add the salt, see? Don't stick. Touch it. Don't stick. So I will like my salt mix. So this is my second slime. I already made one because my missing secret to go missing. Bye guys.